Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss a very important organs which is designated as organized biochemical laboratory. So in human body there are different types of organs are present. So now which organs are designated as organized biochemical laboratory and why it is called biochemical organized laboratory and what it has a function. So let us start. So the organs which is known as organized biochemical laboratory, none other than liver, as because in the liver all the biochemical reactions are taking place with the other cellular metabolic activity. So due to this the liver is known as organized biochemical laboratory of human body. Now let us start. So liver is the largest digestive gland of the human body. So it is reddish brown wedges organs with 4 lobes with unequal size. So it weighs about 1.5 kg and that is width 6 inch. Now what is the location of the liver? What is the location of the liver? Location. Liver is located in the upper right quadrant of the abdominal cavity and it resides just below the diaphragm to the right side of the stomach and overlies to the gallbladder. So now what is the rule of that? What is the major function of the liver? So first function is metabolic function. Metabolic function. Second one, storage function. Number third, synthetic function. Secretory function. Number 5, excretory function. Number 6, hemolytic function. Number 7, hematopoietic function. Hematopoietic function. Number 8, detoxification and defensive function. Number 9, inactivation of hormones. Number 10, heat production. So let us start one by one. First one, metabolic functions. So liver is the major site where the metabolism of the different foodstuffs, especially carbohydrates, fats, proteins, hormones, enzymes are taking place. So due to the major metabolic reactions, liver is designated as organized biochemical laboratory. Next, storage function. So liver is responsible for the storage of different types of food. For example, glycogen, amino acids, folic acid, iron and other substances. Then go to synthetic function. So liver synthesizes a variety of the substances. For example, the plasma proteins which are responsible for the coagulation of the blood. Then it is also responsible for the synthesis of the one hormones that is called somatomedin, and it is also responsible for the synthesis of the steroid hormones, and it is also responsible for the synthesis of the plasma protein binding hormones. These are some functions of the synthetic function. Then go for secretory function. So liver secrete bile which contain fatty acid, cholesterol, lecithin, bilirubin, bile pigment, that is called bilirubin and biliverdin. These are the bile pigments and also known as bile salts. So what are the bile salts present in that? The bile salts are responsible for the emulsification of the fats, means big molecules of the fats converted into small molecules, and also helps to absorb them from the gastrointestinal epithelium. The example of the bile salts are sodium taurocholate, potassium taurocholate, then sodium glycocolate, potassium glycocolate, or sodium glycosinodeoxycolate. So this is the important example for the bile salts. Next, go for the excretory function. So liver already excrete, that is they secrete the bile. With bile, the different toxins, bacteria, cholesterol, fatty acid are excreted. They can excrete through the feces. Next, go for the hemolytic function. Hemolytic function, what does it mean? Hem means blood. So how does it cause a hemolytic function? That is after a lifespan of the RBC, after 20 days lifespans of the RBC, they are destroyed in the liver RE cell, that is called reticuloendothelial cells. When the RBC, that is the lifespan of RBC, when finished, they are destroyed in the reticuloendothelial cells of the liver. So that is known as hemolytic function. Next, go for the hematopoietic function. Already I told that the liver stored the iron, folic acid, vitamin B12. So vitamin B12 are responsible for the erythrogenesis. Means the formation of the erythropoiesis are known as erythrogenesis. Then liver also stored the iron, which is responsible for the synthesis of the hemoglobin. And liver, another major important factor synthesized, that is called thrombopoietin, which is responsible for the maturation of the thrombocyte or platelets. So these are the three functions of the liver which involve the hematopoietic. Next, go for the detoxification and defensive mechanism. So first we start the defensive mechanisms. So histologically liver contains 4 types of cell. One is called hepatocytes. Number 2, hepatic stellate cell. Hepatic stellate cells. Number 3rd, copper cells. Number 4, endothelial cells. Endothelial